गिमाळ्यात प्रवाशांची जावपी अतिरिक्त गर्दी लक्षात घेऊन कोकण रेल्वे मध्य दक्षिण आणि पश्चिम रेल्वेच्या सहकार्यान अतिरिक्त समर स्पेशल ट्रेन्स सुरू केल्यात अशी माहिती कोकण रेल्वेचो उपप्रादेशीक व्यवस्थापक बबन घाटके हांणी दिली। प्रवाशांनी या सुविधांचो लाव घेवचो अशें आव्हानूय बबन घाटके हांणी केला। ऐकात।
To cater to the needs of traveling passengers, Konkan Railway, in collaboration with adjoining railways like Central Railway, Southern Railway, Western Railway, is operating summer special trains to clear the extra rush of passengers. So I request all the passengers who intend to go towards Mumbai or towards Mangalore or South, they can check the availability of seats on these special trains being run by Konkan Railway and book their tickets accordingly. This will avoid the overcrowding of regular trains which are being run by Konkan Railway. And there are more chances that passenger may get a confirmed reserved ticket on these special trains.